It's Clover Day. It's Clover Day. How are you feeling, sir? Are you having a good morning? Are you having a good time? You're looking very winded because you're just playing the ball inside. But what you want to do is go to the park. Would you like to take the viewers also for your park experience? What do you think? What do you think? He's like, I need to go to the park right now. Right now, Mom. I'd like to get this downstairs living room a little bit more under control because we need to start buying furniture for this area. So right now it looks like an alpha stock room. There's a desk that's not being used that we might keep. I definitely am gonna give or sell this desk. I put it on Facebook Marketplace today. There's some moving supplies that I'm gonna give to a friend, but it's not good. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take all the brackets off of things that still have brackets on them, like this guy. And there's like these things over here, and add them to the collection, start inventorying a bunch of things so that we can figure out what is going to happen with them. So good times. I actually think I'll do the same. I'm gonna Facebook Marketplace these like alpha door and wall rack situations. I just cannot keep them. I have no room.
Don't speak, there's no need for you talking. Calling the highest sky. I ain't got the urge to leave. Come stay a little while. I've grown tired of wasting others. Hold on. What? Ongoing, dried out silhouettes. I'm numb, you stay the night. Glory eyes for miles and days. Get off from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouettes give me away. These rocks on the solid bottom, calling the white lines. No one wins this broken lotto. It's just me and the silent cry. I've grown tired of wasting others. Tie down these loose strings. I get lost in these dried out silhouettes. A new try, a new bed. Glory eyes for miles and days. Get off from under me. Troublemaker, plan my escape. The silhouettes give me away. Get out from under me. Oh, I'm not giving in. Try me far away. Oh, you can change your mind, but I'm not giving in.
Clover's home, and he had a lot of fun, didn't you? You played with a friend who was a cavapoo, who also was just interested in catching a ball. Oh boy, you gonna take a long nap? Yeah, still panting from the park. He had a lot of fun. I just want to call your attention to my beautiful Hoya Crimson Princess that's in this window. She's getting a lot of light, and because she's getting so much light, this beautiful new leaf is pink as can be, where there, I mean, it'll turn, this variegation will turn white eventually, but like, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Actually, let's move this way. Look. So pretty. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed. Like this, I mean, this is why I love plants so much. Like, look at that pink. Stunning. Stunning.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take away from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, finally, higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Okay, I think I've been filming for almost 2 hours and this is now ready for a couch. And to make this a living room, I've actually designed it in The Sims and I'll show it to you. This is my idea. This shelving unit I think will have to come down. This is Eve's. I don't know what, he's got like stuff that really belongs in his car and maybe the storage room in here, I don't know. But I moved a bunch of the alpha shelving that we're either gonna get rid of or we're gonna repurpose over to this side, and look how much of it there is. It's ridiculous. I'm so over it. I want it to go away. I do think we'll reuse some of those drawers and those decor things, so I don't think the decor things are gonna go away, but definitely the ventilated wire shelving and like the shoe shelves and all that stuff in the elf dorm room. Like, I already actually got these standards out, as well as the over the door hooks with the hex key there, so that someone can just come and take that, and that would make me so happy. So, oh my gosh, this was so much work, but I'm glad it's done because wow, what a pain in the butt. See, it's all been sort of organized and categorized. Like, these are 16-inch brackets and I've wrapped them all in groups of 10 and 8 and 6. So it's just been a lot of work, and wow, I'm super, super tired and just want to be done with the day. Okay, so I know this is like some of my like gaming channel life bleeding into the organized Soprano life, but I do want to show you the plans I have for the downstairs because I designed them in The Sims because sometimes it's just easier to see what's going on. If you design things in The Sims, you can get really detailed and realistic and sort of get a chance to see what it would really look like. It's really fun. Okay, let's actually go into build mode here. And here is the lower floor. So my idea was, so here's the stairs that come down to the lower level in the apartment, and my idea was to put a couch. It actually looks so cozy. I want to be there right now. I want to be there. So to put a couch here, and I wish I could find a couch like this. I actually don't like the wood sides, but I like the color, like the cream color, and then the curtains. I don't think the curtains I don't think the window actually is here. I think there's just a window here and a window here. So actually let me erase this and not have that there. So that way it'll be a little bit more accurate. We can put a plant in this window. How about that? Is that gonna fit? There we go. Okay, so here's my thinking. We put a couch here. I hope the music's not too loud. Actually, let me turn the music down. So my thinking is we'll put some art above this couch. Actually, let's place some more art while we're sitting here talking about it. Let's see, there we go. We'll put maybe this is a nice place for a cute little gallery wall. I've never actually made a gallery wall. So, that's just like a bunch of different, actually, isn't there a gallery wall in the game that is super cute that I can put? I mean, there's one, but I don't want to use that one. This one's not bad. See, this is a cute gallery wall. I think this would be really cute above the couch. Are there any cute colorways of this? Oh, they're all kind of the same. All right, I like the original. It's fine with the gold and everything. And then I'll put some more art here, maybe like a table, end table where you can put your drinks and stuff. And then here, I figured we get a sectional, or this would be a place where you can just put your feet up, you can move this out of the way. Because I'm thinking that this can be a pull-out couch and someone can actually sleep here if they need to. It's a nice place to get some sleep. And then, of course, we hang another frame TV. This is the console that's already there. And the designer was talking about putting some carpet with a reveal, and I was like, what does that mean? And he's like, well, you can actually get somebody who lays carpet to cut you a long piece of carpet as a rug, because the floor down there is some it's like tile engineered to look like wood, but it might get a little cold in the wintertime, and this might be a nice alternative to area rugs, because area rugs it'll be the same as getting two big area rugs. So I'm thinking, okay, maybe that might be the thing. So, I don't want to grab it. And then on this side, I was thinking we'd have some nice shelving here just for some extra storage, and a buffet here for extra kitchen stuff, and a table here, mostly for playing games and stuff, not for necessarily eating, because we do eat at the upstairs in the kitchen most of the time when we're eating. So maybe this would be a nice place to have some games, because we have friends that play board games, and Eve especially likes to play board games and stuff. And of course, little Roomba here. Snake plant can probably survive down here. So I thought it was cute. And here's where my husband's bike and stuff goes. I don't think that I'm gonna put something like a separator there at all. So it'll just be open into this other exit. So that is what I'm thinking. That's the overall design. So my overall design in The Sims. So now my gaming channel is spilling over to my organizing channel. Isn't that fun? But I mean, this is the first thing I kind of want to take care of. Above everything is this little area. So, yeah. So that's that. All right, let's save and get out of here. Well, while I've got this camera sort of trained on me, I guess I'll close the video and say, I'm trying so hard to keep up with Vlogtober. I don't know how good I'm going to be about the everyday posting of videos. I'm getting really tired because I'm still posting to my other channel. I'm still going live on my other channel. I don't know how many of you follow me over on the other channel, but yesterday was a big day for Animal Crossing, and I'm mentally and physically exhausted from reacting to the new the update news that came out yesterday. I'm beside myself, and I still think it's a dream. I can't believe we're getting all that stuff. But I'll do as best I can from now on. So I think, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take tomorrow off, like from uploading. I'm just super tired, and I need a day to myself. But Monday I have a video ready for you, and after that it's concert week. So I'm happy to capture all of that. So please look forward to more content, but I'm just not gonna upload tomorrow. So I'm already saying that. I apologize. I know you guys have been enjoying this, and I've been enjoying creating it so much, but I do need a little bit of a break. So I can't do every day in Vlogtober, but I will do most days in Vlogtober. So I hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you on Monday. Bye.